How to add control panel to desktop in Windows 11. Hello and welcome back to DigiLive Trends. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add control panel to desktop in Windows 11. If you find yourself frequently accessing the control panel for system settings, having it on your desktop can be a time saver. So let's start the video. Left-click on your Windows icon, and then click on Settings. Here at the left side of panel, click on Personalization. Now click on Themes. Scroll down and under Related Settings click on Desktop Icon Settings. A window will pop up. You can see Control Panel is not selected, so check this option by clicking on it, and then click on Apply button. If we go back to our desktop, you can see Control Panel icon here. So that's how to add control panel to desktop in Windows 11. So guys, if you enjoyed this video, please hit like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you soon in the next one. Take care. Bye bye.